lot of stuff from Wayfair, and they use UK Mail as well. And we've had a lot of emails from them, and they have been delivering the Wayfair stuff.
Good stuff.
That was red.
Also, keep in touch with them as well, because
you want more trainers.
Because I want more free trainers. and I'm also, so I'm just going to put out there now. I am available for a brand association.
It wouldn't be me.
That's a brand association.
Like there was, and it's because one of the producers apparently went through it.
Well, someone went
There was
through
a
a
red
red.
light with 2 children in your van. I'll ask.
Taking the piss there.
Language?
morning, Radio X. It is 7:45. Let's do the most dysfunctional rock DJ Monday Night Pub quiz we've ever done. By popular domain. On the outside, stay the sign sorted. The job's going over to my barber.
What you doing?
Can't say, oh, rubbish.
There's no drum, that's the only thing, there's no drums.
You playing the equipment?
Now, shh. I'm binge watching. Visitors in store or go online to find out.
Bus home from home destinations, UK residents 18 plus, purchase required, subject to status, T's and C's at discomobile.com/terms.
It's arrived. The lads camping weekend. Not glamping, oh no. Proper SAS stuff. And there'll be a short 8-hour drive away. Sadly, the only entertainment is Steve's emo playlist.
Go, just go. What are you doing? Submerge.
Would you be happy, Ben, if we called someone back who's a huge Oasis fan, desperate to get to see Liam Gallagher, and knows all the rest of the words to all of it?
Please.
I was really impressed at how much that steak was. What do you say? Can I show you a photo?
And Vodafone Pay monthly customers can get super fast home broadband with guaranteed speeds for only £24 a month. But hoping you're in the big action later when the increasingly face Olympiad cost. Rangers are at home to Russian side Ufa. Celtic take on Silver in Lithuania. In the Championship, Stoke is still yet to win.
Come on!
For the Premier League, they were beaten 3-0 at home by Wigan last night. Aston Villa remain unbeaten thanks to a last-ditch goal to earn a 2-2 draw with Brentford last night. There were also wins for Norwich, Bolton and Sheffield Wednesday. And British tennis number 1 Carl Evans reached the quarter-finals of the Winston-Salem Open. He had a straight set victory over...
Thank you, Lindsay. Now, 7 minutes past 8. So here's what we got. Platinum Hour at 9 o'clock this morning. Today this week. And then between now and then, we're going to be chatting with our friend John Culshaw. The went down. Yeah. He's like a product to me. Sorry, what was it? My product.
You want to leave it any later?
Because I knew I couldn't go. Extra dribbling water out. This is the shortest word actually, because I think that science is, I mean, what is it? It's the study of nature. So it's about just looking at essentially small things.
The new Sprinter has better safety and security as standard, with autonomous emergency braking, alarm, and double lock on all doors. With new MBUX 7-inch touchscreen and Apple CarPlay as standard, and the option for me, the Hey Mercedes voice assistant.
Hey Mercedes, how's the new Sprinter connected?
The new Sprinter has powerful inbuilt telematics, including intelligent route planning, remote tracking, and maintenance alerts to keep your business moving.
The new Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Better connected. Search new Sprinter to find out more.
The Kickabouts.
Radio X. The thing is, with the Kickabouts, we only discuss the hot sport topics. How can you not love that? 1, 2, 3, 4!
Seriously, submerge! Submerge!